Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable SmartScreen in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Click App and Browser Control. Turn off, under Check Apps and Files. Turn off, under SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. Turn off, under SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.